Hi, welcome back to the channel Quick Math. I'm Sirisha. Today's session is going to be on the topic multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's get into the video. As we said, our topic is the multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. We are going to see different types of examples, how to multiply all those examples by 10, 100 and 1000. The first example I am taking is 3.7. Now, how we are going to multiply this 3.7 by 10, 100 and 1000. So, first we are going to take this number, that is 3.7. 3.7 and we have to multiply this by which number? That is 10. By 10. So, as we said, we have to remove the decimal which makes our multiplication simple. Ignore the decimal point and write only the digits, that is 3 and 7, which gives 37. And after the decimal point, how many decimal places we have in the number? We have only one decimal place, that is 7. So, how many decimal places we have after the decimal points? Those many zeros we have to take it at the denominator. So, I am taking only 1 0 because we have only one decimal place. And write here 1 before the 0 and write multiplied by 10. So, simply you can cancel this 10 and this 10. Now, our result is 37. Now, we are going to see the same decimal numbers, how we can multiply it by 100. So, let's take the number. What is the number here we have? That is 3.7 and now I am multiplying this by 100. Here also we are going to apply the same process. First of all, we have to remove the decimal point from the number. So, what is the number here we have? That is 3.7. Now, I am going to remove the decimal point. So, ignore the decimal point in the decimal number and write the digits, that is 37. And how many decimal places we have after the decimal point? We have to place those many zeros at the denominator by 10 and write this 100 here. Now, we are going to cancel 1 0 and 1 0 here. Now, our answer is 370. Now, we are going to see the same number, how we can multiply this by 1000. So, here I am taking the decimal number 3.7 multiplied by 1000. Here also the same process. First of all, remove the decimal point, that is 37 divided by 10. And here we have 1000, write 1000. And we are going to cancel the 0. So, here we have 1 0 and 1 0. We got our answer as 3700. So, in this way we can multiply the decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So, here I have taken the same example, how we can multiply it by 10 and by 100 and by 1000. Now, let's see with one more example. Here I am taking the number 2.35. So, this is a decimal number. Now, we are going to see how to multiply these decimal number, that is 2.35 by 10, 100 and 1000. Now, we are going to take the number 2.35 and we have to multiply this decimal number by 10. By 10. Next, what to remove the decimal point from this number. So, 2, 3, 5. Ignore the decimal point we have and write the decimal numbers here. Next, in order to remove the decimal point, check after the decimal point how many places we have. So, here we have 2 places, that is 3 and 5. So, how many places we have? Those many zeros we have to place at the denominator. So, I am taking 2 zeros and before the zeros we have to place 1 and get this 10 down, that is multiplied by 10. Now, we are going to cancel this. So, how? 1 0 and 1 0. And what is the leftover zeros here? Here we have only 1 0, that is 235 divided by 10. Now, we are not going to cancel this. we are going to make it as a decimal number. So how we can make it as a decimal number? By checking how many zeros we have at the denominator. So how many zeros we have at the denominator? Here we have only 1 0. So we are going to place the decimal point after 1 place from the right side. So here, that means 23.5. That means 23.5 is our answer. How many zeros we have at the denominator? Here we have only 1 0. So from the right side, we have to place a decimal point after one digit. So the answer is 23.5. Now we are going to see the same example how we are going to multiply by 100. So now take the number 2.35 and write this. We are going to multiply this by 100. So what the first rule we have to do? Yes, always remove the decimal point. That means 235 by 100, because already we have done here. So multiply by 100. So here we can cancel the zeros. So 2 zeros and 2 zeros here. So our answer is 235. Now we are going to see the same example how we can multiply it by 1000. So take the number 2.35 and I have to multiply this by 1000. So write the number 235 divided by 100 into 1000. So we can cancel 2 zeros. So 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here. So we have only one leftover zero. That means our answer is 2350. So in this way we can multiply the decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Hope you liked today's session. If you did, you know what you have to do. Yes, please give me a thumbs up and show your love towards our channel. If you have any further queries, leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Stay tuned for the channel for more interesting and easy content. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, which gives you all the notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching the video.
I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.